let's forget about the snow and freezing blizzards for a while and dream ahead to those soft spring evenings and really feel that warm hug from that yellow round thing in the sky. Sun or something like that, I can't really remember. But anyways, today I want you to pack your blanket and a pair of sunglasses because we're heading out to an old-fashioned afternoon picnic. This spring of 2021, Light Elegance wants to invite you into nature to discover a sense of tranquility and awaken your inner bliss with a fresh new palette of bright colors, warm tones, shimmers, and of course, glitters. And as a bonus, for the first time in LA history, the new Soak Off P+ gel polish will also be released in the Afternoon Picnic collection with both colors and glitters. Let's get together, social distance style, and enjoy each other's company. What would spring be without a coral? And here you got a creamy, warm neon coral. Apply on your toenails, dig your toes into this soft grass and be one with spring. We see nothing but blue skies ahead with this baby blue cream color. If your skies are not blue yet, this is the perfect color to put on your nails and dream of those sunny, carefree days, sophistication, and fun. And if we got a baby blue, we of course need a baby pink. Delightful Day is just as delightful as its name. With a slight touch of coral and with a soft and warm undertone, this is a color that will make you happy every time you see your nails. Under the shade Tree is your creamy mint with a lot of white. This is the pear version of Strawberry and Milk. A fresh, fun shade that will make you feel one with the colors of nature in spring. What's in your basket, you might wonder? How about this creamy neutral mauve peach? A warm peach color that will look good on your nails all year round. A perfect shade for those who like colors with an earthy tone, like myself. Imagine those long and never-ending flower fields of lavender in Provence of southeast France. The distinct flowery scent that oozes into the air and almost makes you feel a bit dizzy but relaxed. This is that color. Like everything I just said, this is it. Like right here. Just saying. The second half of our afternoon picnic will of course be all about glitter. And if you fast forward to this section of the video because you are a glitter junkie, that is totally fine. You're with your own people here and we get you. Just make sure to check out the colors also because they are very satisfying as well. If you got cravings for a glittery cucumber sandwich on your nails, this is your glitter. A semi-sheer, super soft and sweet minty pastel green. The perfect glitter to apply over another color to add just a little bit of sparkle. You bring the wine and I bring the shades. Just imagine the sparkle of this chunky rose gold glitter in the sun. A flashy and festive glitter that goes perfect with any color. Pears and pastries is apparently a thing. Sounds delish. And here you got a glitter with a background of grayish silver shimmer, which allows the small purple violet glitter to sparkle and shine. Let's find a spot by the stream and let our thoughts dance away with the soft sounds of the rippling water. This dreamy semi-sheer mix is filled with iridescent sparkle and will shift and adapt depending on what color you put underneath. If you happen to be a Smurf, you've come to the right place. Or if you're just a fan of blue, either way works. Meet Me by the Blueberries is all about powder blue matte glitter with tiny pieces of iridescent sparkle. prepare for some sweet tea? Another glitter filled with tiny pieces of matte, peachy, pink glitter with a light sparkle of orange and gold. Just because this glitter has tea in the name, this is my favorite. And that wraps up our delightful afternoon, and it's time to pack up and go home to our cold, dark, and snowy reality. But please feel free to come back anytime you need to escape the spine-chilling darkness. For more information on how to use the new P Plus together with the Jimmy Gel, the Lexi line, or just as it is, make sure to check out the video linked in the description box down below. The afternoon picnic collection will be available to all salon customers everywhere on Monday, February 1st at lightelegance.com or at the Light Elegance distributors worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!